This is the beginning of my chisel mallet. This is the first three blocks, cut about 3 inches square. Started planing it off. I missed a couple of pictures of me gluing it up, sorry. Planed it down, cut the edges off, planed them square or triangle or whatever you call that, to make it, slowly make it round. Then I marked an X in the middle. Here's another one. Then slowly with files and rasp with my hand plane, block plane, made it round, somewhat round. It doesn't have to be perfect, it's just a tool. I took on my drill press and I drilled a hole straight down the middle for the handle, and then another 1/4 inch hole through the middle of the tool for the pin to hold the handle. Marked my handle to final length and cross cut it with a handsaw. Then I sanded, lots of sanding, all the way from 80 to 400 grit. Chamfered off the edges of the handle. Slid the handle through so you could see all the way through it. Then I glued it up and I put the handle, glued the handle and the pin in. I cut all that off with the chisel and then sanded it up to 400 grit. Get it nice and smooth. Then I start putting boiled linseed oil on it for a finish. This is the boiled linseed oil I used. I used 2 coats. Here's the first coat, let it soak for 15 minutes. Wipe off the excess, put on a second coat. Gets shinier. Wipe it off. Then I use paste wax to buff it out. Leave the paste wax on for 15 minutes. Then buff it all out. And this is the final mallet. And there you go. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Have a good day.